Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about Heat Press for Profit. It is from Stahls. They are going to do a virtual workshop, virtual event, if you will. So if you guys have ever wanted to go to one of those events where you could go in, put your hands on the products and play with it, but you couldn't afford to travel, well, this is your time to go, but virtual, right? The workshop is completely free, but you can purchase the hands-on sample kit. So the hands-on sample kit is $129, and it's going to come with supplies with like Bella Canvas t-shirts, hats, backpacks, things like that. But it's going to come with patches. You could see that it's got vinyl samples, all kinds of things. It's going to come with like pre-cut projects, so you could follow along with the teachers and make the product. So what is Heat Press for Profit? Heat Press for Profit is the ultimate event to grow your t-shirt business. So if you've been wanting to start your own business, or maybe even learn a few more extra tips and tricks when it comes to making shirts with vinyl using a heat press, definitely check this virtual event out. So all you need to do is come over here. I have the link down below. Fill out the registration form to secure your virtual spot. And then, like I said, if you want to participate with the hands-on sample kit, I highly recommend you order ASAP because you want to be able to get this in time. And we know that due to shipping right now with the holidays, plus the holidays coming up, you definitely want to order this so that way it's going to be in time. This event is going to be January 5th through the 7th. So they're going to have over a dozen new classes, exclusive specials on heat presses, heat transfer vinyl, and transfers and more. That's huge in itself. Interact with presenters in real time or submit questions before the event. Options for hand-on training and much, much more. You guys definitely do not want to miss this event. This is one of those events that you guys have probably been waiting for a long time to really get that information for starting your own business. So I highly recommend that you come check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.